So this is Bilboa. Welcome. And just upstairs, some beautiful decor. Can't let that slip by. And as we make our way up, let me show you a little bit of the decor here. Actually, I'll catch more of it when I get upstairs. Hello, beautiful people of Chinchilla. Thank you. I'll give you guys just an overview of the decor. It's got a very classy beach house kind of vibe. Hello. Spotted myself a table all the way over here. I think I will take it. And I will relax. Hey Oscar, thank you so much.
One of our best cocktails.
Uh-huh.
Not only that makes me jolly, it's one of our signature cocktails. It's a champagne. It's awesome. Perfect for the weather, perfect for the venue, and you're next to the ocean.
Thank you so much, Oscar. Bye.